Have you ever woken up from a dream so vivid that you question reality? Or maybe you have found yourself in a nightmare that felt terrifyingly real. Why does our brain create this alternate world every single night? And what if I told you that dreams could hold the key to conquering fears, processing emotions, and even preparing us for the life's biggest challenges? Stick around because by the end of this video, I am going to share exactly how I overcame my lifelong fear of public speaking using the power of dreams. Trust me, it will change how you think about your own dreams. Namaste, beautiful souls, and welcome to Kaivalaya, where we explore the fascinating intersection of mind, meditation, and modern neuroscience. I am Dr. Harshoza, your guide on this journey into the mysterious world of neuroscience of dreams. In today's episode, we are going to dive deep into the chemical cocktail your brain releases during dreams, the way your prefrontal cortex steps back and let your imagination run wild, and how dream might just be the nature's best kept secret for emotional therapy, threat simulation, and much more. So buckle up because this ride is going to be mind-blowing. When you enter REM sleep, those rapid eye movement stages, your brain flips some fascinating switches. The brainstem kicks off REM, flooding your brain with unique chemical cocktail. These include acetylcholine, which remains quite high in REM, fueling the vivid hallucinatory aspects of dream. Serotonin and norepinephrine levels drop during REM, which is partly why your dream environment feels less inhibited and more surreal. There's less top-down control. This biochemical brew can intensify emotion, reduce logical constraint, and loosen your usual sense of time, space, and physics. In waking life, your prefrontal cortex is the CEO of logic, time management, and self-awareness. During the REM sleep, it's partly offline, like it's taking the night off. That's why in your dream you can fly without questioning gravity, or chat with a deceased relative without even thinking. Wait, is that even possible? Yes, but only in your dreams. So coming back, this prefrontal deactivation helps the limbic system, which is your emotional brain, to take over, making dreams emotionally charged and bizarre at the same time. For years, some scientists argued that dream might be just random noises, byproduct of sleeping brain. But think about it, dreaming consumes energy. It involves complex neural circuits, and evolution tends to weed out energy-wasting processes. The very fact that mammals and even some birds and reptiles show REM sleep strongly suggests that dreams serve essential functions. Nature wouldn't pay the metabolic cost for a purely decorative function, right? That's why modern researchers believe dreams play a significant role in memory consolidation, emotional processing, threat simulation, problem solving, and creativity. Stick around because we are going to dive in each one of these. Think about your daily commute, driving to work. You see passing cars, billboards, trees, pedestrians in the periphery of your vision. You barely notice most of it consciously, but your brain still stores all this raw data temporarily. When you enter REM sleep, your mind sifts through this sea of information, deciding what to keep and what to discard. It's like highly efficient filing system helping you to retain critical details like where you parked or the new route you took, and forget the rest. This memory consolidation process is another reason why scientists believe dreams are far from waste of time or just random chaos. Picture this. You had a conflict at work and you are filled with that unresolved anger and anxiety. That night, your dreams might replay the scenario, but with different characters and maybe in some odd settings. This is your brain performing emotional therapy behind the scenes. During REM, your amygdala, the fear and emotional center, is active, but the stress hormones like norepinephrine are relatively low. It's like your brain gets to revisit emotional topics without the jolt and panic, helping to neutralize and process the emotions and memory associated with it. Research suggests dreams can serve as rehearsal drills. In your dreams, you might be chased by a wild animal or face a social conflict. You rehearse your fight or flight reaction in a safe virtual environment so that in real life you are more prepared. This could be why nightmares, while scary, can also be incredibly adaptive if you eventually learn the coping strategies through them. Now, as promised, here's my own personal testimony to the power of dreams. Growing up, I had a massive fear of public speaking, particularly in English. I would feel my heart race, my palms sweat, and my voice crack. But I started meditating when I was around 8, and during my teens, I found that occasionally I would enter in a state close to lucid dreaming. In the dreamlike state, I would see myself on stage speaking fluent English for hours, while the audience applauded. Over the time, that confidence seeped into my waking life. Now here's my personal and probably unverified theory. In lucid dream, the prefrontal cortex lights up, allowing us to practice consciously. It's like going from inside of the deep brain to outside. In meditation, you do almost the opposite. Quiet the outer chatter and move inward. Now, I'm not saying it's a definitive science, but it worked wonders for me. If any experts are watching and think I'm off the base, please chime in. I value your insights. And for anyone else, if you had the similar experiences, comment below. Let's start a community conversation. Besides emotional repair, sleep, especially deep sleep, activates your glymphatic system, which flushes out toxins in your brain. While most of this detox happen outside of REM, your REM cycle may still contribute by ensuring efficient transition between different sleep stages. It's like a well-orchestrated dance. The deep stages handle the toxins and chemical cleaning, while the REM handles the emotional cleaning. You know those dreams that feels like they span over days, yet you have been asleep for like 20 minutes. That's time dilation. Your sense of time is largely constructed by the brain, and during dreams the usual clock-keeping regions get scrambled. This can make a short dream feel like epic or an entire night's dream vanish in a blink of an eye. Now, let's talk about something really important. The practical methods to harness the power of your dreaming brain. Yes, you heard me correct. And the first one is dream journaling. Keep a notebook by your bed. Jot down any detail you remember immediately upon waking. This trains your brain to notice your dreams. Next one is reality checks. Ask yourself, am I dreaming? Throughout the day, if you do this, then eventually you will end up asking these questions even in your dream, making your dreams more lucid and gaining you more control in your dreams. The third one is meditation before bed. A short mindfulness or breathing practice can prime your brain for more vivid dreams and potentially higher lucidity. At Kaivalaya, we offer a free 15-minute guided meditation specifically designed for sleep. This is available right now on Kaivalaya website. The link is in the description. Feel free to try it out before you go to sleep tonight. If you have recurring nightmares, consider them as a clue to unresolved emotional issues. Journaling or therapy can help you decode these messages. Reflect on dream themes. Are there any patterns like being chased or failing a test or missing a flight? This could mirror your waking anxieties. At Kaivalaya, we offer personalized one-on-one mindfulness-based counseling. Feel free to book your appointment now. Believe me or not, we have only scratched the surface of this topic. While I was researching for this video, I stumbled upon some mind-blowing discoveries about sleep itself. Like how some animal can sleep with half their brain still awake, or in some cases sleep might be even more important than food. But packing all this in one video would have been an information overload. So I will be dedicating an entire next episode to the neuroscience of sleep, why we sleep, how it impacts the memory, and the astonishing ways different creatures catch their sleep. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe right now and hit that bell icon so you get notified the second it's out. Remember, dreams are not a random byproduct of your sleeping brain. They are masterpiece of evolutionary genius, balancing emotional processing, stress rehearsal, memory consolidation, and even creative breakthroughs. And yes, that includes your wild nightmares and the seemingly nonsensical stories your brain conjures each night. Now, before we go, let's have a quick recap. Dreaming requires a chemical cocktail that energizes certain part of your brain while dimming others, like your prefrontal cortex. This unique state allows for emotional therapy, threat simulation, and memory or mood regulation. Time dilation in dreams can make a short nap feel like a marathon adventure. Best of all, lucid dreaming and blend of meditation can help you face fears, polish your skills, and sparkle unstoppable creativity. Please remember, I am sharing my personal experiences and theories here, and I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment if you had a dream experience that changed your life, or even if you disagree with my theories, please let me know. Let's learn together. Like this video if you found it insightful. Your support helps more people discover this content. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our NeuroScience of Sleep episode coming really soon. Share this video with a friend who's always telling you about their crazy dreams. It might just help them understand what's really going on up there. Until next time, sweet dreams and stay curious. I'm Dr. Harshoza signing off from Kaivalaya. Namaste.